Good morning, guys. It's your girl Ruth. I just want to show y'all my little morning breakfast I'm gonna make for myself. You see, I put a lot of fruits and vegetables, apples, cucumbers, oranges, carrots. I put some red and yellow bell peppers in there, all good vitamin C. I put a little coconut oil, just a little bit. I found some powdered peanut butter. Is it organic protein? I'm putting my cactus in there too. Super greens, 50 organic superfoods. Put a little of my molasses for a little flavor and a little honey and some agate, raw agate. All of that help it all go down and give it a little flavor, and trying to get all my fruits and vegetables for today in case I don't get it in the foods. And I know a lot of it's made up in the lab, but hopefully some of it give me some nutrients. So I'm gonna put you on hold for a minute till I make it. All right, hold on, y'all. Okay, yeah, I'm back. So this is how it look. I had to change blenders. I don't know what's wrong with the little one, so whatever. Let me see. Let me take it off of here. It's gonna be stuck. I'm stubborn this morning. So yeah, this how it looks, y'all. I'm not gonna strain it. Not all of it is chopped up, but it's okay. I can eat some with a spoon. So yeah, that's my little morning thing. Good vitamins and nutrients for this morning that I'm gonna drink. Let's taste. Pretty good. I can tell them carrots. Carrots dominated this time. I can taste all the sweetness tastes good. All right, y'all. Just wanted to share this morning. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever y'all want to do. Appreciate it. Bye.